Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Terraform Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Terraform Cloud website in your web browser. Locate the login button on the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Input your password in the respective field. If you prefer to use SSO, look for the SSO option. Click on the SSO option to be redirected to your organization's identity provider. Follow the prompts to complete the SSO login process. Once your credentials are verified, you will be granted access. After logging in, you will arrive at the Terraform Cloud dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Explore the various features available in the Terraform Cloud interface. To log out, locate the account icon in the upper right corner. Click on the account icon and select Logout from the drop-down menu. Confirm that you want to log out if prompted. You are now successfully logged out of Terraform Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.